Hello everyone, this is Sep Ibrahimi, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Luxury Collection. I'm here with the beautiful new listing in North Redondo Beach. For those of you who don't know, Redondo Beach is only a few miles south of the South Los Angeles airport. And it's actually known for having, beside being close to the beach, is actually, they have very good school district. So it's not a private schools, it's just the public schools are phenomenal. A lot of people like to come here, and a lot of family living in this area, and it's a really lovely neighborhood. So let's get in there. So this property was built 1998. The address is 2602 Matthews, unit number C. It's the 3-unit townhouses, and this is the last unit. I'm gonna turn this so we can go inside, check it out. So there's a guest parking right here. This is the entrance. And we're gonna go inside. Beautiful oak hardwood flooring everywhere. There's been remodeled, a lot of remodeling has been done over the past 3 years since they purchased it. Brand new carpet in this room. This is a guest bedroom. You do have a nice backyard. We're gonna go see it with a lemon tree, avocado tree. Really cute size. It's a bathroom downstairs. So we have a full bathroom downstairs. And 2 bedrooms also here. This is a guest bedroom. Really nice. That's where you have the access. All right, let's go to backyard. It's beautiful. Really unique. Most of the townhouses, they don't get this feature, which you get almost, it's a private backyard. Good size. These are the turf, so it's really a low maintenance, really nice. And lots of parties. They throw a lot of parties in this backyard. It's kind of fun. Let's go back. So beside the access from here, also from the garage, there is a door that you can have access. There's a 2-car garage here. Let's see. It's a big size, 2-car garage with lots of storage. And that's the door that goes back to the side yard, so you can go back to the backyard. All right, let's go upstairs. So because this is the end unit, you get lots of sun from different directions. You're actually looking at the Palos Verdes hills through here. I love the beautiful artwork, the lighting fixture. And so is this one. Is really super nice, classy. Beautiful quartz countertops. A nice backsplash. Is really interesting backsplash. It's almost like, I don't know if you can see it, it's wavy. It's really cute, really chic, I think is a better word. So those are the Palos Verdes hills. You can see from here. The refrigerator is included. And also it's a washer dryer. The property, so it's a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Actually tax record shows about 1,600 square feet, but we measured it. We had a floor plan done and it looks almost closer to 1,700 square feet. Very good size. Did a good job matching these quartz countertops from the kitchen to these. Really nice quality, looks beautiful. I like it. Did a great job. Really high ceilings, really light and bright. They have recessed lightings. Very open floor plan. Very nice. What's beautiful about this area is we get a lot of breeze coming straight from the ocean, so you really don't need air conditioning. You totally can feel the breeze coming in. I like what they did to the balcony, the floors. It's really interesting. It's beautiful. You do get access. That's the master bedroom. Also have access to this balcony. All right. So this is a powder room. Really nice. And this is the laundry area for the fluff and fold. There you go. Nice. Washer dryer is included also. This is a master. Really large size master with a high ceiling. It's absolutely nice. And then you have the access to your private deck or balcony, and you get lots of light from every direction almost. Really nice. It's really a good size master bedroom. And the master bathroom with a double sink and another tub. You also get a skylight. You get lots of natural light here. It's really a beautiful property. This location is absolutely in a good place in North Redondo Beach. Again, the address is 2602 Matthews, unit number C. If you guys are interested, if you know someone is interested, please connect me so we can help them out. We had about 17 showings yesterday. We scheduled 16 more showings today, so it's pretty busy. But if you guys know someone, let me know and that'll be great. Thank you. Bye.